Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यो च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. So this is DocFetcher. Uh, Many versions of this software is available. This one is a portable one. It can run either on Mac or on Linux or on Windows. There are also Mac only installable versions available, DMG file, and Windows installation, Linux installation versions are also available. But I have put it portable because I can just take it in my pen drive anywhere I go, even if I don't have my computer. I have my portable searchable library with me. So I will try to explain how to use it. So this, after you download the portable version, zip file or RAR file, then you have to extract it to a particular folder. So I have done that, and here is that folder, and I have put that folder on my USB drive named PCEB here, which is a 4 GB drive. So I put it here. Now what I will do, I will make a folder, uh, Shastra search, for example. So in that I will put whatever Shastras that are searchable and I want to search, I will put them here in different categories. For example, here I will have Dharma Shastras, Puranas. Say for example, two categories I am putting right now. So I will go to those particular sections. So first I will go to the Puranas and the searchable docs, TXTs, and I think this is Unicode. Let me check. Yeah, this is Unicode. So I will copy all these Puranas. Mm, let's search. Let's copy. Copied in the wrong place. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna. So now I have copied all the data, whatever I wanted at this moment. So here there are Puranas, and then Dharma Shastras, with sometimes the commentaries are also there, which have been typed already. Smriti Chandrika, Medatithis commentary, Yagyavalkya Smritis, Vijnaneshwar commentary, Vishwarupa commentary, etc. And here the whole Grantha Mandira collection I have put. Whole means this is from 2016, 17. Currently they have many more granthas now. So anyway, I have put this. So now we go to DocFetcher. Here we open it. So DocFetcher is open now. Now you can see there are four sections. This one is the section where the text will be displayed. So when you press this, then it will come on the right side. This will be easier method to view the files content. You can arrange as you want. Now here you will find the document types. So when you search, putting the search something in the search field here, then the file results will be displayed here. So these are the filters for that which results you want to see. And here is the search scope. Here you have to build an index. So we will build an index from folder. So I will use the same folders here. I would not tell it to build index for the main folder, but subfolders I will do. So for example, Dharma Shastras, I want to build index right now. So I will select this folder and it adds the folder. Now, index name I will keep Dharma Shastra itself. All these things you have to keep as it is, and whatever is this, you can keep as it is, and just run. So it has started indexing the files inside that folder. It will take some time to index different files. So you can see Dharma Shastra is already indexed. Now I will add another index. I will add Puranas. Run. It will take some time. So I went for Bhagavatam class and came in 1 hour now. So we see that here Dharma Shastras and Puranas they have been uh, indexed. So similarly, you can index different things. Uh, Now, yeah, just one thing to notice: uh, the selection that comes here is only of that particular folder. So if you would have uh, so if you would have, say for example, in these Puranas, different folders for this particular Puranas, then it would have come as a tree, Puranas and then Agni Purana, then in that three files are there. So files won't be shown, but the so here what is shown is the folder. So we can also think of making while copying and pasting these texts. text files, we can think of making subfolders also, so that they are visible in a tree form, because whatever we will tick here, either it is in a tree form or whatever way, then that particular portion can just be selected for searching. That way search may become easier, but right now we are just keeping it like this. So here are the Puranas and Dharma Shastras. So say for example in Puranas I want to, or in Dharma Shastras I want to search something. Here I will just uncheck all, because the results which will be displayed I just want from documents, in my case, and HTML, plain text PDF, and RTF. Okay, only these many are I want. Now say for example in Dharma Shastras I am searching for Valmika. So E is longer, so I have to put a Unicode E. Yeah, whatever types of files we have, I have Unicode files for Dharma Shastra some places. So what I will do, E, will let's you could put star also. So now Smriti Chandrika Ahnika Kanda Valmike Kadachana न जीर्ण देवायतने न वल्मीके कदाचन. Now here there are hits. So first hit, second hit Valmikat. Now here the fonts have some problem. The Unicode fonts which have been used, maybe they are mixture of some fonts, or this is not able to display some of the fonts. Valmikot developing. Okay. So like this, Sha is not shown. Mushikothan, Vishnu Purana. Sha and Na is not able to show. Let's see what other places. Parashara Madhavya. So it has 12 hits. 35. It's counting still. So Valmike Kadachana. See? So it has 4 hits. Then say Angira Smriti. Valmikajo. 1 hit on. Manusmriti. Valmike Kadachana. Like this, you can go on searching. Uh, if you want to include, uh, say for example, well, mm, this is regex. We are using this regex. Regex means regular expression. So here either after M and before K, either I comes or E comes, both will be hit. That's called regex. In regular expressions, this is called in square brackets, when you put whatever characters you put, any of those characters, if any one of those characters if are uh, available in the particular word which we are searching, then at that particular place, then a hit will be generated. So this way, even we can uh, building in this way, even we can generate results uh, which could be diacritic insensitive, or even if, say for example, I'm searching files, some of them are in unicode, some of them are in what do you say tamal fonts, and some of them do not have diacritics, but without diacritics they are there, like the IAST coding. So then we can have, say, three versions of E. This E is normal, this I is normal, then this is Unicode E, and then this is Tamal version of E. So any of in any of those files you can search then this Valmika. And these are for Sanskrit also. And say for example you have English document where you want to find woman, so it could be either in plural or singular. So what I will put in that place, I will put WOM E or A and N. That will give all the hits. Either woman is there or women is there. So like this, we can use these regex. Some of the many regex which we can. This is a particular type of expression in regex. This could be used to search. Say if I want to search Shudra, then what I will type S, then Ksha, and then the diacritic version of it. The Ksha will come, Shaksha, and then U, U, and diacritic version of U. We are whatever forms of Shudra. Okay, I have to. I will explain later how the regex is used. Maybe I will have to activate the regex. Okay, how to use regex I will explain later. It seems in this there is a particular way to use it. Okay, so this much at least you can use other ways. You can use many such things. So that's it. Hare Krishna. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो